What's going on, everybody? Michael here with 15 Cent Pressure Washing. Today we are going to talk about driveway sealing, why it's important to have it done, and how often you should have it done. Let's get to it. For those of you that don't know, concrete is very porous. It absorbs water, oxygen, and when this happens, it causes the concrete to crack. It causes it to expand, just like this here. You see that crack in there? Now, if this driveway has been sealed after it was installed and it stayed sealed to this day, that crack would most likely not be there. Now, with concrete sealing, it's going to waterproof your concrete, and it's going to keep all the water and all the oxygen out. It's not going to get into the concrete, cause it to expand, cause it to crack. It's going to make the concrete more durable. This is going to give you a long-lasting driveway, long-lasting sidewalk, whatever type of concrete you have. It's going to last a lot longer if it's sealed, right? And this is going to save you a lot of money come down the road. You know, a lot of people think driveway sealing is expensive. What's expensive is having to replace pads of your driveway, or the whole driveway for that fact. You know, we've been out to houses, we're like, well, we can't seal this. I mean, the concrete was just had so many cracks in it, it wouldn't have made no difference, you know, and it would have been absolutely ugly. So we recommended that they just put in a complete new driveway. Now we're gonna seal this driveway. I'm gonna show y'all how we seal concrete surfaces. Now, this driveway is exposed aggregate. We've already came through and treated the driveway and cleaned it, and that is very, very important to have done before your concrete is sealed. It has to be cleaned, and having it treated before cleaning is very important to help provide a longer lasting seal. You know, one of our main priorities is we want to try to make sure that after we apply this sealer that it's going to last as long as possible. All right, you guys, we're gonna get to sealing this. Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is fill the cracks. Check it out. So as you can see here, we have a pretty small crack. We're gonna come through and fill this crack with crack filler. You know, you just can't seal over these. If you just seal over it, it's not going to fill the crack in, and water will still be able to enter into the concrete, and that will defeat the whole purpose of, you know, what we're trying to do here. We're trying to keep all the water out of the concrete, all the oxygen out of the concrete. Now, if you get some cracks that are really fine, like this through here, I mean, you can barely see that right here. Okay, see that little crack there? The sealer will fill that in. And then through here, we're just gonna rub it in real good, push it all in there, and make sure this whole crack is completely filled. And then we're gonna let this stuff dry, and after it dries, we're gonna come back through and apply our sealer. Alright y'all, so we have finished filling all of the cracks. Now you can see that there's a little bit of a color difference here. Now once this stuff starts to dry up, it's gonna match this exposed aggregate concrete a lot better than what you see now. Now that we're done filling the cracks, it's about time to seal this driveway. We're gonna blow off the driveway real quick just to make sure there's no loose debris or anything that's gonna stick to our sealer and stick to this driveway. Let's get to blowing it off and get to sealing. All right, y'all, there it is. This concrete driveway, it's an exposed aggregate driveway, is now sealed, protected, and absolutely beautiful. Nobody's gonna be able to drive past this house without looking at this driveway. It's definitely gonna catch their attention. I hope this video has helped y'all understand more about concrete sealing, how we provide the service, and why you should have it done. If y'all do have any questions about concrete sealing, Columbia, Tennessee, or surrounding areas, please leave your comments down below. You can give me a call directly at 931-446-1031 if you'd like to schedule a free estimate for concrete sealing in Columbia, Tennessee, or surrounding areas. You can also go to our website, 15centpressurewashing.com. We have estimate request forms on there. You can fill that out, and we will get back with you pretty quick. We also have concrete sealing page on our website at 15centpressurewashing.com. There's more information on there. There's also information about driveway cleaning. Now don't forget, y'all, driveway cleaning is very, very important prior to concrete sealing. If you do not clean the driveway and you go through and you seal that concrete's not going to last long at all. I mean, it's going to start it's going to be bad. It's not going to last long at all. You're going to be upset, like, oh my gosh, why did I just... And that's one reason why it's important to hire a professional to have your driveway sealed, your sidewalk sealed. You know, it is an investment, and you do not want to waste money. You know, this stuff lasts about 3 to 5 years depending on traffic, and we recommend within that 3 to 5 year time range, definitely have it sealed again. You know, if you start skipping years or whatnot, you know, during that time, water is going to be getting into that concrete, oxygen is going to be getting that concrete, it's going to cause it to expand, and you can possibly get cracks. You don't want that. And also keep in mind, you guys, that it is an investment, but it is a cheaper route versus having to replace your whole driveway, or, you know, replace pads, sections of your driveway. Now, I hope this video has helped y'all understand more about this. If y'all have any questions, please leave your comments down below. I'll get back to you fairly quickly. And if you're interested in a free estimate for concrete sealing Columbia, Tennessee and surrounding areas, you can give me a call at 931-446-1031 or go to our website, 15centpressurewashing.com. We have estimate request forms on there. Fill that out, and I'll also get back to you fairly quickly. Thank you guys. Big shout out to all of our subscribers. We really do appreciate it. Please like and subscribe to this video if you're not subscribed. Thank y'all. Y'all stay safe and have a blessed day.